morning, guys. Welcome to today's video. Clearly I just woke up and I'm about to start getting ready for my day, but I decided to take you guys along with me and kind of show you how I prep for class and what my morning routine consists of on a school day. And I'm really excited about this video because I'm actually working with FabFitFun to make this video, and you guys know that I absolutely adore FabFitFun. I've been working with them for quite a while now, and they sent me over a box of goodies that are going to be available for you guys as add-ons for your spring box. So in case any of you guys don't even know what FabFitFun is, basically it is a seasonal subscription box, but what's awesome about it is that it's only $49.99, or if you're new you can actually sign up and get it for $39.99. But for $49.99 each season, you get this box full of full-size products that are like $200 to $300 in value. It's a really cool way to get to know about different products, and it's not just beauty related products. They'll also have lifestyle and food and fitness related items. So overall it's awesome, and I know so many people that get it, and it's really cool to kind of compare what I got in my box and what they got in theirs. So that's just how like the normal subscription works. But like I said, these are all going to be add-ons. So basically it's a member only flash sale that allows you to get these items plus a ton others. This is only some of it, but it allows you to get them up to about 70% off, and they would just add these items in with your spring box. So I'm going to be using a lot of these products as I get ready for school today. So the first thing that I took out are these silicone makeup applicators, and I've seen so many people rave about these. And then the next thing is this Tula Ultimate Recovery Mask. I'm definitely gonna put this on as soon as I'm done showing you all of this stuff. I love face masks. I do them about once or twice a week. And then next up I have this body butter, and I am so excited to try this. If you guys watched my fake tan routine, then you know that I absolutely hate the feeling of dry skin. So then this next item is actually really cool. It's the OMG Pooling Gel, and basically it's the strawberry gel that you put on your nose, and when you pull it off it takes out all of the blackheads. Next up, there's actually another silicone makeup blender, so it's part sponge part silicone. So this I'm also going to test out whenever I do my makeup today. And then there are two items from the brand Kaylin. They're both like skin cleansing pads. This one is going to be more of your basic toner pad, and then these ones in the white box are going to be a little bit more intense. They're the exfoliating peel pads. I love skincare, so whenever I get skincare items in my FabFitFun boxes, I definitely get super excited about those. So out of all of these expensive skincare items that I could possibly try, I have to say that one of the things I'm most excited for is this deodorant. And we're about to get super TMI, but I think that I'm allergic to the deodorant that I've been using, and I have these like weird itchy rashes in my armpit. Like, guys, super TMI. But I've been thinking about trying a more natural option for so long now, so when this showed up in the box I was like so excited. You guys have no idea. So this is the Love Beauty and Planet deodorant, and it's awesome because it's a plant-based deodorant and it has no aluminum in it, which I know irritates a lot of people's skin, like my own, like I said. So if you guys have been wanting to get your hands on a more natural deodorant as well, this is going to be an awesome add-on for you to try, because not only is it a good product, but it's actually going to be a free add-on for members. So definitely make sure that you add this to your spring box and let me know if you guys try it out as well. And then another super simple item that I'm really excited to try out is this body sponge, and this is just like a daily exfoliator. I love using stuff like this whenever I shower, especially if I'm prepping to fake tan. So this I was really excited to see. This is the DP Hue Cool Brunette shampoo and conditioner. So these are actually blue and they're toning, so I'm sure that a lot of you guys are already familiar with purple toning products, which are really good for blondes, but blue toning products are going to be really good for someone like me that has brown hair that can tend to get a little bit of like an orangey brassy tone. Another cool product that I'm excited to try, guys, I'm excited to try all of this if you can't tell, but this is the Milk Blurring Face Stick, and everyone raves about Milk products. I've just never tried them. So this one is going to be blurring, so you could use it alone or as a primer. Then next up there is this Revitalash eye makeup remover, and I feel like a girl can never have too many makeup removers, so this is going to be super handy to have. Then I would say, going along with the deodorant, what I'm most excited to test out is this Kate Somerville Goat Milk Cleanser, and I adore Kate Somerville. I've loved everything that I've tried from her line. And then last up we just have this fun little gold glitter nail polish from Butter London. So that is everything that FabFitFun sent over for me to try out. I'm so excited about all of this stuff. If you guys can't tell, I've probably said excited like 100 times. So the first thing that I'm going to test out that they sent me is this Tula face mask. I just showered and like washed my hair last night, so I'm not gonna be able to test out any of the shower or bath products, but definitely follow me on Instagram so that I can keep you updated as I do try these things. I know that you guys always like when I talk about products more on my Instagram stories, so I'm trying to get better at that. So make sure that you guys follow along there to know how I feel about the rest of the stuff that I don't get the chance to try today. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So this is what the mask looks like when you initially pump out the product. I was expecting it to be purple, I guess, because of the packaging, but I'm just gonna, it's turning purple, I think. Is it? I thought it was turning purple in my hands. I think it kind of has like an iridescent kind of finish to it, so it was looking kind of purple. But I love doing face masks in the morning when I'm getting ready for school, because I feel like so many people are always rushed to get ready, and trust me, I have mornings like that. But when I take the time to really pamper myself and prep myself for the day, I just feel like I'm a lot more confident and I'm able to focus more in my classes. So I definitely recommend doing this before school, maybe like once or twice a week. Now I know that a lot of you have classes early every day of the week, and I did get lucky because I only have a morning class on Fridays. So today I don't even have to be at school until about 1 o'clock, and it kind of just looks like a lotion or something. I'm just gonna leave this on while I go downstairs and make some breakfast. So I just finished making my French toast and I'm about to pour some iced coffee. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I've actually been making my own cold brew at home. So I do this pretty much every single morning. I have my iced coffee. And then also the other day I bought this, which is the vanilla syrup that Starbucks actually uses. So this is what my breakfast situation looks like a lot. I always take a multivitamin and biotin in the morning, and then I just have my French toast, my iced coffee, and then I always use this time just to kind of go on my phone and go through social media and play games and stuff. If you guys have been following me for a while now, then you know that I've had quite the Starbucks addiction, and I would go multiple times a week. I would spend so much money on their iced coffee, and it's kind of getting to the point where I'm starting to prefer the taste of like the one that I make at home. I feel like the last couple of times that I've gone to Starbucks and bought their iced coffee, I haven't loved it as much as I used to. So that's definitely a good thing. I love making mine at home. Obviously it's so much cheaper. So once I'm done eating breakfast, that's when I come upstairs and I go ahead and finish up, like obviously getting myself ready for the day. So I'm gonna go rinse off this face mask, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna try out this new Kate Somerville cleanser. Obviously I brush my teeth and do that kind of stuff now. Okay guys, so I just rinsed off, my shirt is soaking wet. I just rinsed off the face mask and I washed my face with the Kate Somerville cleanser, and I am obsessed with it already. So now that my skin is clean, before I go in with any type of moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead and try out one of these toner pads. And when I opened the box, like there are so many in here, so this would be a really good add-on for any of you that travel a lot, or if you're going somewhere for spring break. Using toning pads like this just help to exfoliate your skin, but also make sure that there isn't any leftover cleanser or oil, or if you're using them at night, or if you're using it at night, it'll make sure that there's no makeup that you missed. Also, I know that a lot of you guys are probably gonna say that this is an unrealistic morning routine for school, but just remember that this is like what my mornings consist of. Obviously, I don't do all of these things every single morning, but I do think that it makes the rest of my day better whenever I do. So anyways, that is dry now, so I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer. This Grown Alchemist face cream, this actually came in my fall box. Obviously, I have really used this. I just put some in my hand, and then what I like to do is just press it into my skin. And then one of my favorite things to do after I put on my moisturizer is spritz on my Mario Badescu spray. So this is the cucumber one. So now that I'm done with all of my skincare, I actually still have some time before I even need to start doing my makeup or really getting ready. So since I have class very late in the day, I feel like it's very beneficial for me to use this time to study or go over my notes and to see if there's anything that I have to do for my classes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my school stuff out and kind of go through everything. But while I'm thinking about it, I'm actually just gonna show you guys how I organize my school stuff and what I keep in my school bag. So this is the bag that I use for school. It's just this brown leather tote. coat that I got at Old Navy probably like 5 years ago. It's so old and it was super cheap, but it's big enough for school and sturdy enough. And I just love the way that it looks because like I'm the kind of person that does like to get a little bit more dressed up for school. So the first thing that's in here is my planner. I got this from Walmart. It was like 10 bucks. I love the floral print, and then it has like the metallic gold 2019 on there. So this is just what I use to write down when I have class and what my homework assignments are. And then also I have my pencil case. This one was from Target. It was super cheap. I love the blue and the pink. It actually kind of even matches this, but that was really unintentional. I've had this one for way longer. But I am that type of student that has just about every pen color and highlighter and like possible writing utensil that you could need for school. I'm always writing my notes in different colors. So needless to say, if I forget to bring that to school ever, I feel just completely lost. So I only take notes or like need a folder for 3 of my classes. Every single item is a different color. I label things with Sharpie. So this system just works really, really well for me as far as college goes. And I like that it's not bulky and everything's separated rather than having it all jammed into the same binder. So that is what I use for all of my note taking and handouts for each class. And then next up I have my laptop. I keep it in this sleeve. My mom gave it to me from Christmas, but I think she ordered it off of Amazon, but I like that it's really soft on the inside, so it's not going to scratch my laptop. So I always bring this to school with me. Then also my charger, which fits into this little case. It's just not in there right now. So I always have my laptop with me. And then I just have some other like random stuff in here. So I keep my keys on this little like Kate Spade wallet thing, and then I always have note cards. That's how I like to study for my classes. And then in these pockets I have earphones. So I have the pink ones that fit into my laptop and then the white ones that fit into my iPhone. Oh, there's a memory card in here. No clue what's on that. What else? I have more note cards. I have a granola bar because sometimes I get hungry in between classes, so just random little stuff, but that's pretty much everything that I keep in my school bag. I am still waiting for 2 of my textbooks to arrive in the mail. One of them I have online, so other than those books, once I get them, this is pretty much everything that I bring with me to school. So anyways, I'm going to use this time now to kind of go through my classes. If your school uses Blackboard and you know what that is, I'm gonna go through Blackboard and see if my teachers have posted anything. So then once all of my school stuff is taken care of and my bag is packed, I don't have any other like schoolwork, then I go ahead and I do my makeup. And I like to wait to do this last just because if I'm running late, I'd rather prioritize getting school stuff done rather than doing my makeup. So I do have a couple products that I wanted to test out. So the first thing is going to be the Milk Blur Stick. So this is really nice, but it's not heavy on my skin at all. So now what I'm really, really excited to test out is this like silicone blending tool. I want to say brush, but it's not a brush. I'm going to start off by dotting it all over my face. This is always how I start out with my foundation. Yeah, your foundations will definitely last so much longer if you apply them with something like this because I'm not wasting any product. So this is really, really cool. I got a lot of coverage out of it since it doesn't absorb product. It kind of looks like I'm pressing a spoon on my face. I just realized that. So now I am going to do my under eye concealer, and for that I'm going to test out the sponge that they sent me. So I typically just do like a little bit right there. So that actually looks really, really good, and it blended out really fast. And just like that, my makeup is done and I'm pretty much ready to go. So my battery actually died when I was doing my makeup. So I will go ahead and just like leave a list of the products that I used in the description box in case you guys have any questions. Honestly, my makeup is the same exact as every other time I've shown you me doing my makeup. So yeah, nothing fancy. This is what my makeup looks like pretty much 90% of the time. But I do want to show you guys the outfit that I'm wearing for school. This outfit really isn't that exciting in my opinion. It is rainy and pretty gross outside, so obviously I'm wearing my hunter boots, and then I just have on dark wash skinny jeans and this pink striped shirt. And then since it is rainy, I didn't even bother doing my hair today, so I just kept it up in the ponytail. This is like super simple and basic. Sometimes I'll wear leggings to school, sometimes I'll wear dresses to school if it's warm enough, so it really just depends on my mood. And then the very last thing that I like to do before I leave is throw on some perfume and obviously my deodorant. So I'm so excited to be testing this out. Like, you guys have no idea. I know that's like kind of stupid that I'm getting this excited over a deodorant, but I'm gonna throw this on. And then my everyday perfume is Prada Candy. So that is it for my morning routine. I am ready to leave for school now. I just have to throw on my jacket. So thank you again to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited about all the stuff that I received. So make sure that you guys go ahead and check out all of the add-ons. And if you're not already a FabFitFun member, then I do have a $10 off discount code. Their website and everything is linked in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check out. So also, I know that my morning routine was different than most people's, but obviously with me going to a community college rather than living in a dorm on a campus, my days are just a lot different. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all have an amazing day, and good luck to all of you guys that are in school right now. I hope that you have a good year or a good semester, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!